This is another video brought to you by the Ichiban Productions. Like, comment, subscribe. So welcome everyone, happy days are here again. We're back with another review. This time we're looking at an Anker Cable Management System that's made of Velcro, not magnets. I previously reviewed, I think it's an older model of this that uses magnets. The link should be up in the top corner. And I thought the system's great. I use it on my office desk all the time. However, the price has gone up, I'm not going to lie. It's about 16-17 quid now, and I paid about 11 quid at the time. Anyway, I found their replacement. It's made of like the similar sort of base, but it's Velcro instead of magnets. I mean, some might say that Velcro is better because magnets and cables, they aren't meant to go together. Anyway, this was $9.99. Is it any good? Let's take a look at the box, and let's get it out. If you've ever bought an Anker product before, and you know that I have, you know what to expect. It's got that weird sort of embossed front. On the side, it's the Anker stuff, and then on the back, there you go. Anker Easy Fastening Cable Holder. Again, it's not the magnet one, it is the Velcro one. You know what you're getting with Anker. It's generally good quality stuff. It's on cheap. You know where I got it from. I got it from Amazon. Next day delivery, here it is. That's enough talking. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Boom, cheeky cut. I have unsealed the seal so we can get inside without making a fool of yourself on YouTube. Is it going to open? No, it always opens the wrong way around. And there we go. That's what's inside. Oh, wow. That is a funky pattern. Interesting. You know where we're going to start? We're going to start with the literature. It's this the not happy business. You've seen those a million times before. And then we got some sort of declaration. We don't need that. And then we got some instructions on how to actually use the Velcro, which is pretty good. I mean, if you've never used these before, wrap it over, under, in and out. That's what shoe tie-in's all about. Now, the bold claim we get for this is you get 8 of these, apparently. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, you get 8 of those. However, I don't think 8 of these are actually going to fit on the actual grip. Ooh. No, this is definitely different quality. The other, the magnet one, if you watch my other review, has a lot more sort of rubberized. That is just smooth. On the back, it's got the same sort of material. You peel it off and it'll stick to anything, so it claims. But if you can wash it, I mean, the thing is, you're meant to be able to take this back off, wipe it with a bit of water, it becomes really sticky and steals again. Hopefully that'll work, because I want it for the bedside cabinet for all those cables so they're not all over the floor. So I think one of the big advantages of this particular, the Velcro one here, is it will fit any cable of any size, whereas the other ones with the magnet adapter, they ain't going to fit like a big HDMI cable, whereas this one will fit, like I said, a cable of pretty much any size. So what we do is we wrap it around there, and then we Velcro it round and round and round and round and round and round, and there we go. Hopefully you make a better job of me, because I've really made a mess of that. And then all you do, boom, cable's on, not going nowhere, because the Velcro, actually, yeah, Velcro is pretty good on that. And there we go. Will it fit 8 of these? I absolutely don't think so. Let's have a look for general size. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it's not going to fit all 8, let's be honest with you. I don't know why they give you 8. In fact, I do know why they give you 8 in case you lose them, because they are going to go everywhere. So overall, it is what it sees. You know, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. For me, it's all about how sticky it's going to be. If the stickiness is anything like the magnet one, I think it's going to be 10 on 10. Super sticky, so it's going to be perfect. With that in mind, you know what it's time for. Let's put a star rating on it. So, based on everything we've seen, in my opinions, I'm going to give it about 4 stars out of 5 stars. I think, hopefully, as long as it sticks... Whoa, it's not stuck down, that's why it's moving. Hopefully, as long as it sticks, it will earn that 4-star rating. Why am I not giving it a 5-star rating, I hear you say? Well, basically, you get 8 of these. It should be able to fit all 8. There's no way it's going to fit all 8, so therefore, it is minus a star. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, give it a cheeky thumbs up, which means more people can see it and make an informed choice about whether to buy this one or the magnetic one. If you've got any questions or comments, post them in the comment section below. I reply to each and every comment. I love the people engage with my community and comment and ask those questions, and I always reply to each and every comment, so please post something. It'll be worth it. With that in mind, I have one final request, and that is, can you please press that subscribe button? It'd be the absolute world to me. Hopefully one day I'll get to that 1,000 and get some of that sweet YouTube money. But obviously, I mean, realistically, this isn't what I do it. I'm a small independent YouTuber, and all I do is make these reviews to help you make a better informed decision with your money, because really that's the most important thing, not wasting your money. With that in mind, you know what I'm going to say, look after yourselves, take care of the people around you, and most importantly, stay out of trouble.